Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to our presentation titled Office Concept of MRCS. In this presentation, we will be discussing how MRCS structured its office layout to support productivity, communication and task management. Before we begin, here is a quick introduction to our team. There are 6 of us in this group and you can see all our names and student ID on this slide. Each member has contributed to different sections of the project and together we aim to give you a clear understanding of how an effective office setup can improve workflow and support humanitarian operations like those in MRCS.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I'm Rosmin binti Osman. Here is an introduction for Malaysian Red Crescent. The Malaysian Red Crescent Society is a humanitarian organisation and auxiliary to the humanitarian service of the government under Malaysian Parliamentary Act 540. The Malaysian Red Crescent now has 16 chapters with 159 branches in Malaysia with 96 staff from various departments. It is a part of the global network of the International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement whose mission is to alleviate human suffering and to promote lasting peace amongst people. A non-profit humanitarian organisation, the Malaysian Red Crescent Society (MRCS) offer health service, emergency response, disaster relief, first aid training and community-based initiative all around Malaysia. When MRCS was first established in the 1948, it was a division of the British Red Cross. In 1963, the International Committee of the Red Cross (ICRC) formally recognized Malaysia as a national society following its independence. For the vision to realize the Malaysian Red Crescent as a leading and distinctive humanitarian organisation that bring people and institutions together for the vulnerable, for missions to prevent and reduce suffering wherever may be. The objective of the Malaysian Red Crescent Society (MRCS) is aligned with the principle and goal of the International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement. Its main objectives are: number 1, to provide humanitarian aid and relief during of the disaster, emergency and conflict both within Malaysia and internationally. Number 2, to promote health and well-being through community-based health programs, first aid training and disease prevention effort. For the number 3, to uphold and disseminate the fundamental principle of the Red Cross and Red Crescent movement. Number 4, to foster youth development and volunteerism through training and engagement in humanitarian and social service activity. The last one is number 5, to assist the most vulnerable group in society regardless of race, religions, nationally or political affiliation. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Shazrin Nabisha binti Long Kecil. So I will continue the presentations. Let's begin by looking at the current automated office system or AOS used in the disaster management unit of the Malaysian Red Crescent Society. Right now, the system only supports basic admin tasks like data entry and volunteer records. Microsoft Word and Excel are used for report and data storage, while communication happens through Outlook and WhatsApp. Despite having a shared intranet folder, most documents are still physically filed. This makes the process slower and less efficient, as the system is only partially automated and lacks a more seamless digital workflow. Next, this slide shows the current workflow and the people responsible for each task. First, the receptionist collects the volunteer forms. Then, the admin clerks enter the data into the computer. After that, the office assistant prints and files the document. Finally, the admin executive emails the information to the team. As you can see, this process involves multiple manual steps, which take times and increase the chance of error or delays. So, to improve efficiency, we have proposed a new workflow with automations. Volunteers will now register online and the data will go directly to a Google Sheets. IT staff will create the online form and the admin executive will manage the database. IT support will set up automatic emails and department heads will assign tasks. The admin clerk will just check and save the record. This streamlined process saves time, reduce paperwork and make coordination much faster and more reliable.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nusafa Aina binti Zamri, and today I will share about the office layout, environment, furniture and equipment used in the Malaysian Red Crescent office. The Malaysian Red Crescent office is located in 3-story converted bungalow. It uses an open concept layout without fixed desks, which encourage teamwork and mobility, especially for the disaster management department. Currently, the space is under renovation to improve the layout. This plan change aims to create a cleaner and more productive workspace for all staff and volunteers. However, there are also challenges. The space is cluttered and there are not enough space for their workstation. It is difficult for the staff to work comfortably and efficient during daily operation. Now, let's talk about the office furniture and equipment used at the Malaysian Red Crescent. For furniture, the office has modular workstation, ergonomic chairs, filing cabinets and open shelves, mobile storage unit, whiteboards, and this all helps the team stay organized and allow flexible working arrangement for different departments or different staff. For the equipment, the office use computer, internet access, and phone for daily operation. Printers, scanners, and projectors for document handling and presentation. Also, vast radio, first aid kit for emergency use, especially during deployment and disaster response. Now, let's look at office comfort and staff satisfaction. At present, the temporary office environment is not ideal. Staff and volunteers are adjusting patiently while waiting for the renovation and the arrival of the new furniture. One challenge faced is unequal access to the furniture. Some staff do not have large desks, comfortable chair, or sufficient storage, which can affect their comfort during work. However, the management has promised to provide better and more balanced facilities once the renovation is complete, which will help improve staff satisfaction and productivity. Okay, now we are talking about the office design plan. Alright, let's start with the overall structure of the building. As shown in the site layout, the office building is located just opposite the main car park and it is accessible via the main door, second door, or the stairs. The entrance road leads through the security gates, ensuring controlled access. Alright, moving inside the office, the main working space is organized around a central conference table equipped with laptops and seating for up to 12 staff. This setup supports both teamwork and meetings. On the left wall, we have 2 glassboards and a whiteboard to facilitate brainstorming, updates, and briefing, perfect for team discussion or planning session. To the right of the room, they place 3 computer stations along with a cabinet and a printer for easy access for daily work material and printing needs. Okay, in the latest revision of the layout, they add 3 shelves at the top right corner for document storage and safety equipment storage, as well as two small tables on the left side of the room to accommodate additional workspace or casual discussion. This layout is designed to balance functionality and collaboration, supporting the vital humanitarian work at the Malaysian Red Crescent carries out every day. Now, we are jumping to the most crucial equipment used by the Malaysian Red Crescent. The office uses digital tools like computer with high-speed internet for reporting, emails, and managing data system to ensure smooth communication and quick updates for or during emergencies. For meeting, they use WhatsApp video call, Teams video call, Zoom video call, and others. For telecommunication, the office uses printer, copiers, scanners for forms, plans, and reports, ensuring the important documents are managed efficiently. For visual connection or communication, there are whiteboards, notice boards, glass board, and strategic charts to display key information and planning visual for the staff and volunteers. Safety is also a priority. The office uses safety tools such as helmets, vests, flashlight, and first aid kits, which are essential during the disaster response and field operation. Okay, for storage, the office has filing cabinet and shelving to keep emergency plans and manuals safe and easily accessible when needed. To ensure comfort during long working hours, ergonomic furniture such as chairs and desks are used to support the staff, ensuring they can work efficiently while maintaining their health to comfort during extended operation. In summary, Malaysian Red Crescent office equipment, furniture, and environment are carefully planned to support disaster response and operational work. This ensures the staff and volunteers can function efficiently, especially during emergencies. While there are challenges at the moment, the ongoing renovation are planned to improve to create a better and more productive workspace for everyone that involved in the Malaysian Red Crescent office. That is all from me. Thank you.
Before I start, hi, my name is Nur Idina Afika binti Rosli and my student ID is 2022652386. Okay, now let's start with communication and supervision in the MRCS office layout. One of the biggest benefits of this kind of setup is that it allows quick face-to-face updates, which reduce the need for excessive emails. Staff can communicate and collaborate better, which is especially important during time-sensitive situations. Additionally, supervisors are able to monitor progress directly and provide real-time feedback, which keep operation running smoothly. However, there are also challenges, especially when it comes to noise and distraction. In an open office, it can be difficult to focus, especially when doing detailed tasks like planning or report writing. To solve this, we recommend the MRCS Great Quiet Zone or small enclosed meeting rooms. This way, they can maintain the benefit of open communication while still providing areas for focused work. Next, we look at the interrelationship between tasks, equipment, and workflow in the office setting. At MRCS, common tasks include volunteer tracking, logistic coordination, report writing, and managing disaster data. These activities require both speed and accuracy. To support the tasks, the organization depends on equipment like computers, phones, large displays, and printers. All are essential for daily operation. MRCS use tools such as AOS to help with automated reporting, assigning tasks, and tracking resources. This ensures the workflow remains smooth and consistent. Overall, the system is well interconnected, meaning the tasks and tools work hand in hand, for more efficient and error-free operation.
Hello everyone, my name is Siti Hazira binti Muhammad Jamil and my student ID is 20221674. So today, let's discuss the effectiveness of our current office layout and environment. The design plays a critical role in fostering collaboration, productivity, and overall workplace satisfaction. So first, our open concept layout is designed to promote teamwork and comfort. By removing physical barriers, we encourage spontaneous and idea sharing among team members. So second, items like a laptop, shares table, and whiteboard are strategically placed to support collaboration. These tools make it easy for teams to work together, brainstorm, and share ideas in real time. So third, the layout is clean and welcoming, which is not only beneficial for staff morale but also create a positive impression on a visitor. Because a well-organized space reflects professionalism and attention to details. So, and the nearby area provide flexibility for future expansion, which is allowing us to adapt as our team grows or needs evolve. So our recommendation is to further enhance this setup. We recommend adding a visible monitoring station. This would improve supervision without disrupting the open environment, ensuring both productivity and accountability. So now let's evaluate how our office layout support workflow, particularly in high-stake scenario like disaster management. The design of our workplace can significantly impact efficiency, communication, and response times. So first, the open layout enables real-time communication, which is critical during emergency. Teams can quickly share update, make decision, and act without delays because by physical barrier. So second, for teams like disaster management, speed is essential. So the removal of cubicle enhance visibility and allow for faster coordination, ensuring everyone is aligned during urgent situation. So, however, we have identified some challenges. So, like limited storage space and narrow pathway during renovation. This can temporarily hinder movement and accessibility. So, after renovation, we propose adding a visible monitoring station because this will improve supervision without compromising the open layouts benefits, ensuring both safety and workflow efficiency. Now let's examine how our current furniture and equipment support day-to-day tasks and overall productivity. So a well-equipped workplace is key to efficiency, comfort, and employee well-being. So first, our office is equipped with essential tools like laptop, printer, and filing cabinets, all placed within easy to reach, minimize disruption, and keep workflows smooth. The central table acts like a collaborative hub, encourage team and enable quick update or a impromptu meeting. So the layout is designed for mobility, allowing staff to move freely and interact without obstacle. Second, while our equipment is basic and meets the needs of daily operation effectively, however, there's room to enhance long-term comfort and efficiency. So last, to prioritize employee health and productivity, we recommend investing in ergonomic chairs to reduce strain during long work hours. Upgrading select tools such as higher capacity printers or adjustable desks could further support comfort and operational longevity. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nurhana Nabila binti Muhammad Afiq. My ID number is 2022621818. Today I would like to share with you guys about impact of automation on communication and road quality. Yes, the Malaysian Red Crescent Society (MRCS) has observed a significant improvement in employee productivity and communication since introducing automated technologies. Employees can easily exchange information, update reports, and manage projects employing tools such as email, Microsoft Office, and share network folder instead of relying primarily on manual processes. This technique helps to minimize decision-making delays and support real-time coordination, which prove especially during crucial situations. Although the automation level is steeper, it has already helped to streamlining daily administrative responsibilities and boost interdepartmental communication. Does automation impact on staff and customer satisfaction? Yes, automation improves all three characteristics. The use of digital tools minimize repetition, manual activities, increase accuracy, and speed up documentation processes, resulting in greater job quality. Staff workers report higher job satisfaction since they may focus on relevant tasks rather than monotonous paperwork. This enhancement is turn boosts customer satisfaction by providing volunteers, partners, and beneficiaries with faster responses, more organized communication, and better overall service. As MRCS improves its system, these advantages are projected to expand even further. Based on our research and an interview with the Malaysian Red Crescent Society (MRCS), we concluded that a well-structured office environment necessitates a balanced integration of physical space, automation tools, and a productive workflow. The current working atmosphere, while continuously being enhanced, maintains to support daily operation through collaborative sector and functional tools.